everyone, welcome to day 11 of the advent calendar unboxings. So day 11 consists of 2 sticker sheets. They are foiled. One is in hollow foil, which is actually one of the most popular sheets we have in the shop, but I decided to include one in here because this is useful anytime. You can even use this in any of your kits because they are on clear sticker paper. So this one is the most popular sheet we have in the shop, which is the scattered confetti overlay. And then we also have a duo sheet, which is in the hearts and the bows in gold foil, because you can also use these any time of the year, or you guys can use them separately as just a full box and a bit of foil in everyone's planners. So that's what these are, and I hope you guys love day 11, and I will see you guys tomorrow for day 12.